Alright guys, what is up? So, in this video, we're gonna be taking off something off this freaking car that I've been wanting to take off for probably the longest since I've had this car, which has been literally like almost half a year maybe. So, I want to take care of this, and today, in this video, we're gonna be taking care of the roof racks. For the people that aren't aware, G35s don't have a frame that holds, you know, the window, usually like in sedans and all. They have a frame where the window kind of tucks in. Well, in this car, there is no frame. It's literally just a window. Now, that's cool and all, but when it comes to these bad boys, they usually will hook onto, you know, the little portion in between the door, you know, molding frame, and also the, you know, whatever piece is here, and you apply pressure through it, and it stays, so you don't have to drill holes. What I'm thinking is they drilled into it. Now, the downside to that, and the reason why I haven't been doing, you know, taking these off as soon as possible, is because of that reason, that it is drilled, so I don't want to expose the holes and, you know, get potentially, you know, moisture, condensation. But in today's video, I will be taking off these Allen screws and checking what's under there. Hopefully there are no screws or bolts, you know, drilled into there. But by the looks of it, it's these two that are down in there, and we're gonna have to fill those holes. So now you may be thinking, if you're gonna have exposed holes, then how are you gonna cover it up? For the people that are not aware of Bondo, there is a regular Bondo, which is just body filler. Now with this Bondo, it's a little bit different. It's actually metal reinforced filler. What you can use this for is use it to plug up holes, not only to, you know, like regular Bondo where you can just cover it up and no one can tell. This actually can be drilled into it, so it would literally be as if nothing ever got drilled into it. That's kind of the best part about this. It also does not rust, which is another plus. Guys, this is a big deal for me because I've been wanting to get rid of these racks since the moment I even saw the car posted online. I said I'm literally gonna take off the roof racks as soon as possible, and it's already been more than, you know, like 3-4 months. So in today's video, we're gonna check what's under there, and hopefully it's not too bad to where I'll need a lot of it. What I'm gonna begin doing, and I don't have an angle to show you guys exactly what I'm gonna be doing. I'm literally just gonna take off these two Allen bolts that hold this in place, since I can't really take off these quite just yet. Guys, so moment of truth. I'm excited. Oh, finally. After months, I finally have them off. Oh my god, the car looks so different already. The car definitely does look better. I think it, you know, looked a little funky, and that's me being nice. It looked a little funky with the roof racks. It made it seem a lot taller. Yeah, as you guys can see, these holes are like destroyed. You can see there are, you know, pretty big dents that I'm gonna have to kind of work it. So what I was thinking is putting something that's like flat, putting it against it, and just kind of like hammering it slightly to see if I can, you know, make it look a little nicer. Yeah. Alright, so I tried hammering it a little bit using this as kind of like a flat surface to get this all flat. I realized that it's not gonna work, so I tried using, you know, the hammer as you guys saw, and it also did not work. I don't want to go too hard to where I just make a huge dent, make it even worse. So what I'm gonna do for now is just cover it up with the metal reinforced filler, and then call it, you know, a day for this part one. It has been quite a bit, I think about a couple hours. I let this dry to the touch, and it did a pretty good job of filling up the holes. I kind of did a sloppy job. I do not care that much, honestly, because I'm gonna, you know, vinyl wrap this in part 2. So did it in the back. I did a very sloppy job, as you guys can see. I had to make like a thick glob over so that it just would adhere to this and not inside. So that's why I had to make like globs up. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this part 1 of, you know, taking off the roof racks and finding out how the holes look, which kind of disappointed. I didn't expect it to be that bad. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you guys in part 2 of this video. Peace.